I don't know. I really don't.
Well, when you call 811, you are connected with Miss Dig 811, that one call notification center for Michigan. And then we notify utility companies, and they come out and mark any lines they have in that area.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna try again. What happens when you call 811?
You call the
Mistake.
yeah.
There you go. And now we have more informed people out here. Thanks for watching Miss Diggs. What's the 811? Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.